Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 2. I remember guys, I'm doing a series on how to trade using Trendline. And I don't know how many episodes I'll do. If you have not watched episode 1, I would highly suggest to watch it so that you can be able to follow through. So I want to teach you how does sell happen. Anytime you see this happening with your Trendline, know that sell is happening. Sellers are very, very powerful. They are controlling the market and it's time to sell. So this is just to tell you, to give you a hands up. What do you do? How do you know that the market now is selling when you're using Trendline? Remember, we have two players in the market. It's either we have buyers or either we have sellers. So today, this video, I just want us to focus on the selling. Now, one thing I would another highlight, but I will keep emphasizing in every video. Let's say the market is going on an uptrend. Let's say the market is going on an uptrend and then it makes a double bottom. You will notice, you can know when the market makes a double bottom, it is easily noticeable. So when the market is it's going on an uptrend and then now continues like that, now when I want to put my trend line, it will be very difficult to start from here because now that trend line, I will not capture these areas. So this is a trick I want to show you. Anytime you want to start your trend line, either you are going on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, whichever time frame you choose, look out where there is an equal levels. Equal levels can be double top or can be double bottom. So for you to be very accurate that your trend lines have been placed well, just spot a double bottom and then now start from that double bottom. Now you can either put a line like this where there is equal levels like that, and then now start your trend line from that. You will never go wrong if you do like that. Most of the time, that trend line will be very, very accurate, okay? So that is on a double bottom. If you want to put a trend line, let's say you notice the market has been going on a downtrend, the only thing you need to spot is just spot a market that has a double top or same level. So if you attempt to put trend line starting from here, guess what happens? There will be a lot of market here. This level will not be captured. So what you need to do, start from this level. Sorry. Always start, instead of starting all the way, just focus on where the double top is. That is a secret I'm giving you. And then you can have a trend line like that. So we will be focusing on the levels. Are we together? So if I open my chart like this is on a daily time frame. And you can imagine it is a very, very big uptrend. So someone may ask, where will I put my trend line? Like, will I start all the way since 2022 like that? Will I do? No. When you're doing top-down analysis with trend line, of course, you'll start from the monthly. But right now, I just want to give you a trick. So you'll just come here and look where they are double bottom, because the market is on an uptrend. We are looking for a double bottom to guide us on the trend line. Are we together? The reason why we are looking for a double bottom, we want guidance of the trend line. So if I come here, I can see this is a level. So I can start my trend line here. Can you see, guys? Can you see this is a double bottom? Can you see? That's a double bottom. So we want to spot out the double bottoms. And you can see the reason why it's a double bottom, it has the same level. So I don't want you to start stressing, where will I start to mark out my levels? So that is one. And then if I come here, this is not a double bottom because it has been violated. So starting a trend line here, it will mess you up. And then let's go here. So at least you have like two. Can you see this level has not been violated? This was a very good double bottom because it is not violated. We have this bottom and this one. So these two levels, at least mark two levels in your chart. So I have this level. I have level 1 and I have level 2. So these double bottoms, if I want to create a trend line, I can create a trend line using these levels. And the only thing now I need to do, I will start from the first one, the one that's happened earlier. So I will take my trend line and from the highest week. So if I connect here, if I connect 1 to 2, I'm seeing already the market is, I don't want the market going like splitting my price, my candles. So instead of connecting point A to point B and it will cut my prices, instead of coming here, I will come to the next of the second bottom. So I will not focus this area here. I will focus my bottom. So that's why that bottom is very important. Can you see, guys? That bottom is very serious. So even if you did not start here, tell me why. Even if, you see, we spotted this double bottom and we spotted this double bottom. For instance, you didn't spot the first one. For instance, you didn't spot this double bottom. We started from here. If I start from here, tell me why I'm getting the same results. If I start from here, same results, same results. So can you see double bottoms will always give you the same trend line? So as long as you spot a double bottom, will always have the same thing. Guys, that is a key thing to note. Comment down below if you knew that. If you didn't know that, just comment down below, say I have learned something new, and always use a double bottom to mark out your trend line. So you can imagine, even if someone marks out this double bottom and they connect with the second double bottom, they will get the same thing. If the first one, if someone didn't see the first one, they connect, they will still get the same thing. Okay, so that's what we have. So we have 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. This double bottom is this trend line is very accurate. Okay, so the only thing now we need to do is to wait for the market to break out. We are waiting for this market to break out of this chart. And remember, note, guys, I want you to note one thing. I want you to note, even if you flip on 4-hour, breaking is not given with a 4-hour because this trend line, remember, we got it from daily. So even if 4-hour breaks, we have to be careful for daily to break and we see it has broken. But once daily break, the catch is if daily breaks, the catch is we will go to 4-hour to look for our retest. So daily is the one that we allow it for breaking of the trend line. Then the lower time frame is for the retest because most of the time we want the trend line to break and retest, and so that we can continue to go down. And we have marked everything. So the only thing here we are waiting for is for breaking. So let's see, you wait for 1 day and let's see what happens. Did it break? Of course, it broke. So if you went on 4-hour, you can see already we have the breaking, but the retest has not yet happened. So that's what I'm saying. You just needed to wait for just 1 day for that trend line to be broken. Now, we wait for retest and our target, we are targeting this area. This area I've marked out, that is where we are targeting because it will now be doing a triple bottom, not a double bottom. Now, let's go to 4 hours. Now, the question is, anytime you want to look for retracement, how do you look for retracement? And how do you judge that retracement will come and will come and retest and then go down? How will you judge? I will give you a secret. If we use the double bottom to get our trend line, we will also use double top for our retracement configuration. So we go to 3 hours, see the line, no presence of a double top. We go to 2 hours. Can you see we have a hidden resistance? So we are sure that this market is coming to retest here. It's like we have a new double top that is hidden. So for your for your for your for your for your market to be very accurate, for your for your trend line retracement to be very, very accurate, you need to look out for a double top. Okay. Now that double top, we have seen it is on 2 hours and it is OPT. This is where now you involve everything. See what happens if the market tapped our double top. Can you see our market tapped our double top? We have that double top. And not only do we have a double top, we have our entry, the bearish engulf. So we have so many things. Our double top has been activated, bearish engulf, and then we have our sell entry. I feel you need to rewatch this video for you to really understand what I'm saying. So in this case, we have been told you can sell. Imagine you can sell. Where is our target? Where is our target? Our target is to this area. So in this case, we are making, oh my goodness, 631 pips just using Trendline. And you can wait for the market to go down, or you can just wait to see, will it go down and touch the take profit? And that's how that market really dropped. Just from our trend line, just following everything from trend line to retracement to touching the take profit. And it was all from the daily. So if you have not understood, I just need you to I can just tell you to rewind, because this one, I will look for a live example and then we can do it together. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my teaching, I have a Zoom class 1 month that I charge $1,500. It will be starting on September 15th. So let me write my number. You can WhatsApp me plus 254 700 344 066. Avoid people who are trying to scam you, maybe in the comment section. This is my number. If you want to be taught, I teach strategies, so many strategies, and also I just help you to be able to get a very, very profitable strategy and a way to maneuver to the market. You can imagine this is a 600 drop using Trendline. So we'll be doing live trading together, but that's my number. If you need any of my services, my recorded course is $1,000. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. All the best. See you the next episode, episode 3. Bye bye.